Usually what women get is, oh, you're looking good. And I've always said that even if you're complimenting a little girl, please tell women that they're talented in whatever way that I can. So I felt amazingly well when this time people were talking about performances, character arc.
There are insecure actors who try to overshadow you when they feel threatened.
With Imran, he is the most secure actor. He has done films like Hug. So you can imagine, not a lot of people will pick up projects like this as a male actor, and he's the most secure person. He gives you the space and yeah, I think यहाँ उस चीज़ के बारे में मुझे सोचना भी नहीं पड़ा. हम साथ साथ में set पर. That was one of the best sets I've been on because हमारे जो डायरेक्टर थे सूरज बरजात्या सर, वो सबका ध्यान रखते थे, चाहे वो बच्चे हो, चाहे वो ऑल द बिगर स्टार्स हो. शूट करने में भी बहुत मज़ा आता था बिकॉज सारे यू गेट टू वर्क विथ these amazing stars, and I had a lovely time. I was on set for like 1.5 years. There have been so many child actors who've become lead heroines, and there's Sana Arjun, there's Vamika, there's so many people. So I hope एक जो एक preconceived notion है that child actors and lead actors usually the transition takes, it's a process and probably it's difficult. Maybe it's not.
People are losing out on work because of their faith and what they believe in or their surname, and I think the biggest of superstars in our country are all Khans.
We all have love for each other. There's nobody hating on each other on the basis of a certain name.
But have you ever lost out on work because of your name?
Not because of the name. No, I don't think so. Not because of my name. Because of something else, then I don't know. But I don't think so ever because of the name. And I hope ऐसा कभी ना हो.
Well, if there was one big pleasant surprise package in Taskari, then it has to be my guest today, Zoya Afroz, who played this part of Priya beautifully, and I was hooked and how. And I'm so, honored and happy to be welcoming her to FPJ Showbiz today for a beautiful conversation. Hi Zoya, welcome to FPJ Showbiz.
Thank you so much for this lovely introduction. It makes me so happy to hear that it was a lovely surprise. Thank you.
You deserve it. I remember I texted you when I was watching it because I was genuinely surprised because firstly, it was just not like a love interest character. I love that.
Yeah.
I was like, firstly, of course, it's Neeraj Pandey. So every character has to be layered.
Layered and defined, and the way he writes his women,
Yeah.
the way he writes all the female characters.
Loved it.
They're not ornamental. Yeah. They're there for a purpose, and I love that. I when I was reading the script, I was like, wow, what an impactful character Neeraj sir has written. Yeah. I mean, his all female characters are powerful, and they have a purpose in the story. They're not just there to be there, and I love that. And when I read this was like this role came as a surprise to me. I was like, wow, he wants me to play this. Yeah. He's chosen me for Priya. I felt honored. I felt, wow. I hopefully I must have done something right to land this.
Wow. But now that people are praising you so much, I'm sure wherever you're going, people are telling you how good you were, and it must be getting overwhelming. Do you think life has sort of a little bit changed after Taskari?
A little bit? A lot.
Wow.
A lot has changed. I'm overwhelmed. Whenever I think about it, like right now also you're asking, I'm feeling very emotional and overwhelmed because you look out for a day like this. As an actor, you want this day to come so badly all your life. You, as a performer, as an actor, as an artist, you want people to talk about your work and your craft and your performances. And usually what women get is, oh, you're looking good. And I've always said that even if you're complimenting a little girl, please tell women that they're talented.
Yeah,
not just they're more than beautiful, right? We're talented, we're intelligent, we're capable, we have skills, we have talents. Let's compliment women on that. Yeah, and I want to change that, I feel, in whatever way that I can. So I felt amazingly well when this time people were talking about performances, character arc. Priya as a character, the choices that she made as Priya, as her, she was in a space where the pressure was very high. True. It's about national security. Yeah. Our custom officers are our national security. They hold that position where they work day in and day out. missing all their personal commitments, their personal life, and they fight for us silently, and then they are our unsung heroes. And somehow this is an ode to them, and also to the people like Priya's character who work, who are invisible basically, who help who help catch these people.
Yeah.
So I think it's a beautiful character, and I'm absolutely honored that Neeraj sir chose me to
Yeah.
play this.
You know, what I saw, I interviewed Amruta also last week, and I told her the same thing, that I did not feel that any of the characters were overshadowed. Because when you, firstly, I didn't even feel there was any lead. I felt everyone was the lead actor. Whoever was in the front,
Yes.
like all of you guys were looking at, I was looking at this team who was acting together, right? But it's very rare. And you've been in the industry for so long, you might know this, that there are insecure actors who try to overshadow you when they feel threatened that, okay, she's
Right.
also a good actress, especially male actors. I've heard so many female actors come out and say, हमारा part काट दिया गया, हमारे हीरो ने हमें ही चेंज करा दिया, रिप्लेस करा दिया after 1 week of shoot because we were so good. Of course, I know that nothing of that sort happened on your set, but was there any kind of insecurity that you felt, or did you feel that everyone was equally secure?
At least on this set, thankfully, everyone was. And especially the way Neeraj sir writes his characters, each and every character, like you said, is well defined, has its own purpose, has their own character arc. इनफैक्ट जब आप तस्करी में देखेंगे, हर कैरेक्टर का जो इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है, वो सेपरेट इंट्रोडक्शंस हैव बीन गिवन टू ईच कैरेक्टर. इनफैक्ट आई लव द वे शरद's been introduced, the whole VFX and जो भी green screen पे उन्होंने शूट किया था, and the way they have animated it, and जिस तरह से उन्होंने कहानी दिखाई है, और हर कैरेक्टर का एक सेपरेट इंट्रोडक्शन है, नॉट जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन बट एक कैरेक्टर आर्क है, कैरेक्टर ग्राफ है. सो यहाँ उस चीज़ की दिक्कत आ ही नहीं सकती, बिकॉज इट्स नीरज सर's set, and he's very sure of what he wants. He's very particular and sure, and he trusts his actors a lot. So अगर एक scene हम कर भी रहे हैं, he will very gently nudge you to that direction, but also let you be and trust you and your talent. So I think that is beautiful. So यहाँ उस चीज़ के, and with Imran, he is the most secure actor. He has done films like Hug. So you can imagine, not a lot of people will pick up projects like this as a male actor, and he has. And I was even telling him that it's beautiful to see you, do a project like Hug, because the way the character in the story is, it's beautiful that male actors are taking up such roles.
Exactly.
So I congratulated him on that, and of course there was he's the most secure person. He gives you the space, and yeah, I think यहाँ उस चीज के बारे में मुझे सोचना भी नहीं पड़ा. Thank God.
You were one lucky actor on that set, because it's so good when you get the mutual respect that you deserve, because I think respect is one thing, no matter who you are, where you come from, everyone deserves it, and sometimes that is lacking. And
what you said is actually so correct. In my life, my motto of life is respect over love. You don't love me, that's okay.
But you have to respect.
But no, you can't disrespect somebody just because you want to. Respect over love any day.
True. That is so true. But you made your chemistry with Imran. It was very heartwarming. It wasn't like out there. It was very subtle, but at the same time, you could feel those emotions.
Right.
You could feel that she is feeling something, and you guys just made it translate very well on screen. It almost looked effortless, like you guys are not acting, and it takes an incredible actor to make it look like that. How did that happen?
How beautiful the story has been written. The love story is very beautiful. आंखें बहुत कुछ कह जाती हैं. So emphasis आंखों पर है. In fact, प्रिया का जो character भी है, वो बहुत कुछ अपनी आंखों से कहती है. If you saw the entire series, her communication is as much from the eyes as it is verbal. So the beauty lies in there. The beauty lies in the unsaid things, and that is wonderfully captured in Taskari, the love story, जिसमें इमरान और मेरा जो love track है, वो बहुत ही एक अलग ही तरीके से दर्शाया गया है. And audiences तक वो message पहुंच भी रहा है, like जो हम कहना चाहते हैं अपनी आंखों से, कितने सारे मैसेजेस, कितने सारे कॉल्स, एंड दे हैव टोल्ड मी, अच्छा इस जगह पे मुझे लगा तुम ये कहना चाह रही थी, इस जगह पे मुझे लगा तुम, एंड सबका अपना इंटरप्रिटेशन है, बट वो इंटरप्रिटेशन एकदम सही लैंड हो रहा है. So I think beauty lies in the unsaid things, and when it comes to romance, a lot of it comes from the unsaid things. Yes, so I think it's beautifully written and beautifully, both the characters, their love arc and the way the story moves forward. I think it's just written perfectly.
Did you check social media? People are calling you the new crush.
Is
The
it?
new national crush, because it's so it's funny, but it's so heartwarming also at the same. It's sweet.
It's
You know that each time they see something and they like somebody, they instantly start pouring in so much
Yeah.
love for that person. How overwhelmed do you feel with all
I'm
of this?
happy. I'm genuinely I'm filled with joy.
Yeah.
I'm filled with, there's a lot of humility and there's a lot of gratefulness.
Of course.
Because मुझे पता है ये चीज़ें आसानी से नहीं मिलती हैं. ये जितनी भी हमारी ऑडियंस है जो इतना प्यार हमें दे रही है, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है ये इतनी आसानी से मिल जाए हर किसी को. आप किसी भी एक्टर, आर्टिस्ट, डायरेक्टर और एनीबडी हु इज इन द एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री, उनसे अगर आप पूछेंगे तो एवरीबडी वर्क्स फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रेज, अप्रिसिएशन, लव फॉर देयर वर्क. सो हमें बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. थैंक यू. एंड मैं सारे ऑडियंसेस को कहना चाहूँगी कि थैंक यू सो मच फॉर पोरिंग इन सो मच लव, एंड बहुत बहुत सारा प्यार दिया है सबने, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. Sometimes it's overwhelming because somebody, they were writing national crush, nahi, international crush, because my title is international, na, Miss India International.
Correct.
So I think some pageantry people would try to
Wow.
put that in that. So it's fun,
Yes.
and it's overwhelming. It's also, I feel like with that comes a lot of responsibility,
Of
because once people start liking your performance, they have an expectation.
Yes.
So expectation को पूरा करना, उसमें प्रेशर आ जाता है शायद, और वो प्रेशर अच्छा भी है, वो होना भी चाहिए. बट आजकल तो फिर अब से मैंने सोचा मैं अपने दिल की ही सुनूंगी.
Yeah. I know.
तो अब दिल की सुन रही हूँ प्रेशर
Very
में.
nice. I can't wait.
ये दिल सुन रहा है is next.
Yes.
So that is next on Netflix, and I'm over the moon, and there's so many good projects, good work coming.
Of course.
So it's wonderful, and ये सब कुछ audiences के प्यार की वजह से हुआ है.
Definitely. But do you think now even casting directors have this newfound, respect for you, and they will look at you in a different way because you've done a part which is not only strong, but it lands well and it is impactful. That is why people today are talking about it, right?
I definitely want people to know me for the kind of work that I've done. And I feel like I have a lot to offer in terms of versatility, in terms of, I don't feel like I've reached my full potential. I have a lot to give out as an artist. I have worked for years on my craft.
Yes.
I like to read a lot. I have read a lot of psychology, भी मैंने बहुत पढ़ती हूँ. तो मुझे पता है कि एक इंसान में you can't be one dimensional, right? As a person.
Of course.
Everybody is multidimensional. बस ये है कि you have to explore that. And I feel that मेरे किरदार जो भी मैं चुन रही हूँ, hopefully उस तरीके से मैं कुछ अलग लेकर आऊँगी हर बार. जैसा कि मत्स्या कांड में एक अलग कैरेक्टर था. I was playing a con girl. Then मुखबिर में एक बहुत ही स्वीट सी एक मुस्लिम लड़की का कैरेक्टर था, जो कि स्टर्न है, हैज़ हर ओन, she speaks her mind, but she's also very sweet and very nuanced character लिखा गया था उसमें. With तस्करी again, तस्करी जो प्रिया का कैरेक्टर है वो इतना लेयर्ड था, इतना कुछ था उस पूरी कहानी में, पूरी जर्नी थी प्रिया की, जो हम उस जर्नी पर लिटरली गए हैं, जहाँ पर from the beginning to the end there's so much that is happening, and the stakes were high. A lot of questionable choices maybe she has taken in her personal, or maybe some emotional choices that Priya has taken as a character. So मैं हर बार यही चाहूँगी कि मैं एक अलग किरदार के साथ आऊँ, एक अलग, I bring something different to the table every time. That is what I want, and I know that I have a lot that is, I feel like this is just the start. I have a lot to offer.
Definitely, you are meant for the stars and the moon. So I'm sure, because it's not every day that you get to meet
That
an
is
actor
so
who
kind.
has proven their talent, because I didn't call you gorgeous or stunning. You are all of those things. But in my intro, I wanted to talk about your craft. And that is what I think everyone should do, because I feel everyone's beautiful. So
Yes.
introducing somebody, calling them gorgeous and stunning and beautiful, I think
It's great. It's good
great.
to hear. But
Yeah.
yes.
But it's your work in the end. You want
Thank
to
you
get
so much.
noticed.
That is so kind of you.
You're most
And
welcome.
Thank you.
But you know, you've worked with the biggest of stars as such a little kid, right? I am sure you were.
My
having
mom
a
has
blast.
put me on set at the age of three. with the half of the industry on one set.
Yes, but is there, of course you were very, very young, you were a kid, but is there any advice, anything that you got from any of these stars that stuck with you till today and you try to imply it?
As children, sometimes the unspoken things वो पिकअप कर लेते हैं बच्चे, हमेशा हर एक बच्चा जो भी उनके एनवायरनमेंट में हो रहा होता है, वो सारी चीज़ें वो पिकअप कर लेते हैं, चाहे आप उन्हें सिखाएं या ना सिखाएं, right? So in my environment, I was seeing very professional people. I saw people वो कितनी सहजता से अपना कैरेक्टर पे अपने कैरेक्टर पे काम करते हैं, कितने डेडिकेशन से और कितने हार्डवर्क से मतलब एक सीन के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं. एंड चाहे कोई चीज़ वर्कआउट हो या ना हो, बस लगे रहना. जस्ट डोंट स्टॉप, जस्ट कीप वर्किंग, डोंट स्टॉप. आई थिंक मैंने वो ज़्यादा सीखा, सबकॉन्शियसली मैंने वो ज़्यादा सीखा, क्योंकि आई सॉ in my environment, I was working with amazing talents. So I think I learned that.
Wow.
So to keep going on, the professionalism, how you should take how serious this is. It is not just fun and games. I know it's entertainment business, and what you see is, what the audience sees is glamorous. You see us dancing, or you see us enjoying or dancing on songs, but हम शायद 16 घंटे practice करते हैं उस डांस के लिए. Retake पे retake होते हैं, चाहे आपको कितने भी पसीने आ रहे हो, कितनी भी थकान हो रही हो, कितने भी, या शायद आप continuously. I remember one song that I was shooting for. We shot for 15 hours both days, and I was dancing continuously for almost the entire shoot. So आपको शायद वो glamorous लगे, and that's what we want. We want you to enjoy it. But बहुत मेहनत जाती है उसके पीछे. So वो मैंने सीखा.
And which was your most fun set that you remember? Even today you remember and recall those days?
Oh, the most fun set has to be Sonpuri set.
Oh, wow.
There were 8 kids on the show. Yeah. Just imagine what ruckus we must have created.
I'm sure.
And there was one director who was trying to put all the children in the frame and, try to explain the seriousness. And that time we were just kids. We wanted to have fun. And हमारी कभी किसी की हंसी छूट जाती थी एक टेक में, कभी कोई भाग गया, कभी किसी ने कुछ उल्टा लाइन कह दी, तो हम सब हंसने लग गए. तो ऑफ कोर्स टाइम कैलकुलेट हो रहा है ना, बिकॉज देयर इज अ सर्टेन टाइम लिमिट दैट वो सीन उस टाइम लिमिट में शूट करना है. बट हमने सबसे ज़्यादा मज़े आई थिंक सोनपरी के सेट में किया है, बिकॉज देयर वर सो मेनी चिल्ड्रन. वी यूज्ड टू प्ले, मतलब अगर हम कहीं आउटडोर शूट पे जा रहे हैं तो पूरे लोकेशन में हम वी यूज्ड टेक ओवर द लोकेशन एंड प्ले गेम्स while everybody's trying to figure out which kid where. We have to put in costume, to put in this, please learn the lines. Of course वो तो हम करते ही थे, but बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती हमने की. And of course हम साथ हैं के set पर. That was one of the best sets I've been on, because हमारे जो डायरेक्टर थे सूरज बरजात्या सर, वो सबका ध्यान रखते थे, चाहे वो बच्चे हो, चाहे वो all the bigger stars हो, वो सबको आके पूछते थे, have you eaten food, have you, please don't drink water from outside, basic चीज़ें का ख्याल रखते थे. And शूट करने में भी बहुत मज़ा आता था, because सारे you get to work with these amazing stars, and I had a lovely time. I was on set for like 1.5 years for that, and हम different locations भी घूमने जाते थे. जयपुर में शूट किया, उदयपुर, काफ़ी सारे different locations में.
Wow. And now that video has gone viral where Radhika ke papa and then your photo has come.
Has it?
And basically they have used your that
Bachpan wala Radhika,
and now look at Radhika now.
Oh.
And your character Priya ka photo. So
Radhika and Priya.
Yes, Radhika
alone.
And Priya. And life comes in full circle. Like when I see such videos, it's just, I'm sure you are also equally overwhelmed and happy.
It is.
But I also know for a matter of fact that when you transition from being a child actor to now being a lead, it doesn't come easy, because of course people have seen you as a very, very small kid, and now you have to come and prove yourself as this young woman who wants to act in movies and in shows and films as a lead actress. How has this journey been? Has it been filled with ups and downs, or was it a smooth transition?
It wasn't smooth, I would say. Of course, there are ups and downs in any journey, but I don't see it as a transition. Sometimes your self image is, of course, different from the image that the public has of you. So you might see it as a transition. Me, I was always an actor,
Wow.
and I'm still acting.
Yeah.
And it's just I have grown up, of course, and things are different in those terms. But I really don't see it as a transition. And there have been so many child actors who've become lead
Yes.
heroines. And there's Sana Arjun, there's Vamika, there's so many people. So I hope, actually a preconceived notion here that child actors and lead actors usually, the transition takes, it's a process and probably it's difficult. Maybe it's not. Everything is impossible until it's done.
Yeah.
So I hope we change that for you, for everybody.
Definitely. That's such a good response, because a lot of people say that it's been a struggle, but you've just said the opposite, and you've taken it so positively. I heard you were saying I'm anyway an optimistic person.
I'm an optimistic
That's
person.
fab.
You can't change that.
Great.
In the depths of my despair, I will still look at things in the most optimistic
Wow.
way, and that's a quality I want to keep. I don't want to let go of that quality.
Wow. But Zoya, you look like somebody who's a sorted person. In her head, she's
Is it?
sorted. but an actor's life is not that easy. Of course, you have to deal with so many things. I think every profession has that set of challenges. But in an actor's life, there are rejections, there are replacements, there are things that are not in your hands.
Right.
Maybe you manifest something and it doesn't work out the way you want to. Today, as somebody who's of course become more mature, how do you deal with these things?
I think you have to have a thick skin. You have to, if you're working on your goal, if something is it's your passion, it's your art, it's your craft, it's something that you want to, show out to the world. It shouldn't be that easy. Then you won't find value in it if you get anything easily. And so many people are trying their luck, become every day to Bombay, to become actors, to become directors and work in the industry and even other industries where people are trying to make a mark for themselves. It's going to be difficult if you want to leave a mark on the world and try to, influence them and inspire the world in whichever way you want to. It will be difficult. So don't think that this journey will be easy. I think the problem starts when we think that we will get everything easily. Why should we think that?
Yeah.
It's going to be difficult, and that is what will make you. That is what will make your character, and it'll make you stronger, it'll make you a better actor, it'll make you a better person. I think of it like that. And why should it be easy? Yeah. I don't know why people think that, it's difficult. Yes, it will be. It will be. And if you want the whole world to know you and for the whole world to recognize you, to see your talent, to see your skills, it will be difficult, and that's what makes you. And the whole journey is what is important. It's not the end goal. The journey is where, your growth lies. So think of it like that. I think of it like that. And of course, there are going to be rejections. As an actor, of course, there are going to be rejections. You'll not be fit in certain places. Kahin, it'll be possible that शायद आप वो character में fit नहीं है, या शायद आप अलग लग रहे हैं, या शायद उनको कोई और किसी अलग तरह के actor की requirement है. So ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर बार आप select नहीं हो रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं you're not good enough.
Exactly.
So you don't have to take it so much to your heart. Just even if you're getting rejection, just understand why that happened and work towards it and work on yourself. अगर कुछ चीज़ें नहीं सही है, अगर आपको कोई ये कह भी रहा है कि ये कमी मुझे नज़र आ रही है, work on it. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो लोग बहुत important होते हैं आपकी ज़िंदगी में, जो आपको आपकी कमियां बताएं. क्योंकि ये सब अच्छा तो बोल ही देंगे. That will never work in your favor. So अगर कोई इंसान आपको अपनी कमी बता रहा है, तो please work on it and see whether it's how true it is firstly. And if it is true, then please work on it and see, and just try and be better each day in terms of your craft, in terms of being a person also. I think we all learn and grow each day. तो मैं तो but मैं बहुत ही cliched और optimistic मैं, but मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. I can't help
that's
it.
The fact.
मैं ऐसी हूँ. I can't change it.
Nothing better than this.
I can't change it. I look at things for me, half glass will always be full rather than half empty.
Wow. But there are certain debates going on in the film industry right now that people are losing out on work because of their faith and what they believe in or their surname. And I think the biggest of superstars in our country are all Khans. And we are a very united country. That is what I feel. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Hmm.
But I genuinely feel that when somebody's talented, that's all. We don't want to see where they come from, what their name is.
You know, honestly, when you come to the actually to the ground and meet regular people, we all have love for each other.
Yeah.
There's nobody hating on each other on the basis of you know, a certain name. So I think वो तो है, we're a diverse culture. We're extremely different from each other. You know, every state, every city is different from one another in terms of food, in terms of what they wear, in terms of how they talk. So हम अलग हैं और हमें वही celebrate करना चाहिए. And हो सकता है कुछ certain number of people are like that. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ everything is rosy and
Yeah,
everything
yeah,
is
yeah.
great. Of course, we live in a world where there will be certain number of people who will have that backlash or who will kind of, you know, serve to their propaganda. But I think majority of it, at least मेरी life में अभी तक जो भी हुआ है, they have always been very supportive and I have seen a lot of love. So I hope मैं यही देखूं. I hope.
But have you ever lost out on work because of your name?
Not because of the name. No, I don't think so. Not because of my name. Because of something else, then I don't know. But I don't think so ever because of the name.
Oh, wow.
And I hope ऐसा कभी ना हो.
Of course,
हाँ,
definitely.
किसी के साथ, just not me, but किसी के साथ भी ऐसा नहीं हो. हम एक बहुत diverse culture है, हमें celebrate करना चाहिए. I think ये बात.
Absolutely. But, lastly, Zoya, before we wrap this conversation, this is going to be an exciting year for you. You've started only off with an amazing note. But what next for you? How much ever you can share? I know there are some things you can't share yet. But jitna bhi aap bata pao, and one thing that you really want to try to satisfy, the inner artist in you this year.
Actually, 2026 is very, very special.
Yeah.
It's a special year for me. It has started with a bang. 2026 started and Taskari released, and I've been getting, such amazing. We all have been getting such amazing response, and it's been an amazing experience to even work with Neeraj sir. I got the opportunity to work with him and do a character like Priya.
Yeah.
So I'm very thankful for that. Next, what is coming up is Ye Dil Sun Raha Hai, which is next on Netflix.
Yeah.
I'm extremely excited. It's a heart-wrenching story, and it's going to be very different from Priya. So, like I said, there's something different that I could bring to the table, and I will leave it at that because I want you to discover,
Yes,
and I
of
want you to
course.
discover the character and the story. But I will tell you that it's a very heart-wrenching story.
Wow. I can't wait to see it.
I'm very
genuinely
excited.
can't. And I can't wait to meet you next to
Yes.
celebrate more your projects
Thank you.
because I know it's going to be like a banging year for you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for joining in.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is Zoya Afroz, and you're watching me on FPJ Showbiz.